Welcome to Drive France. Today we're stepping into something wild, loud and a little bit crazy, the next generation 2027 BMW X6M, the high-performance city coupe SUV that looks like a concept car and moves like a missile. This isn't just a family SUV with a big engine. This is BMW M at its most shocking, brutal power, coupe styling, serious tech, and an attitude that basically says, subtlety is for someone else. If you've ever wanted a car that turns every street into a stage, stay with me. From the very first glance, the 2027 X6M hits you hard. The stance is wide and planted, the bonnet long and muscular, and that sloping roofline drops down like a sports coupe. Up front, you get the latest bold BMW kidney grille, flanked by sharp focused LED or laser headlights that give the car a menacing stare. The bumper is carved with huge air intakes, feeding the engine and brakes, and making it clear this thing is built to move fast, not just look pretty. In a world full of soft crossovers, this level of aggression is almost shocking. From the side, the X6M's proportions are pure drama. Big wheels with low-profile performance tires fill the arches, the shoulder line is strong, and the roof swoops down into that coupe-style rear that made the X6 famous. It looks more like a giant hot hatch on steroids than a sensible SUV. Every angle says speed, even when it's just sitting at the curb. At the rear, you get a tight, muscular look, slim. High-tech taillights, a sculpted tailgate, an aggressive diffuser and quad exhausts that leave no doubt about what this is. It's loud without moving, wild without trying too hard. And in city traffic, it will absolutely shock anyone expecting a normal family hauler. Open the door and step inside, and the mood changes from wild to wickedly premium. The cabin of the 2027 X6M feels like a high-end performance lounge. You're greeted by deeply bolstered M Sport seats, supportive enough for hard driving, yet still comfortable enough for daily use. The leather feels rich, with contrast stitching and M-specific details that remind you this is not a regular BMW. Across the dashboard, you get BMW's curved digital display sweeping toward the driver. A huge, crisp instrument cluster fused with a large infotainment screen. The graphics are sharp, the animation smooth, and the whole layout feels futuristic without being confusing. Ambient lighting flows through the doors and dash, giving the cabin a cool, almost club-like vibe at night. For a car this wild, the level of refinement inside can actually be a bit shocking. Materials are exactly what you'd expect from a top-end BMW M machine. Soft touch surfaces everywhere, real metal trim, high-quality plastics where needed, and optional carbon fiber for those who want that motorsport feel. The steering wheel is thick, sculpted, and perfectly sized, with M buttons that let you instantly call up your favorite drive modes. In the back, space is more generous than you might think from the coupe roofline. Yes, the design is dramatic, but BMW still makes sure adults can sit comfortably in the rear. Legroom is solid, headroom is acceptable, and the seats themselves are shaped to support rather than just to fill space. The boot is practical too, big enough for luggage, shopping, or weekend trips, reminding you that this shocking machine still has a useful side. Now let's talk about what really defines an X6M performance. Under the bonnet of the 2027 model, you'll find a seriously powerful M-tuned engine, a twin-turbo V8 with electrification support, designed to deliver shocking acceleration and relentless torque. Power figures sit well into supercar territory, and with the help of hybrid tech, response off the line is immediate. Press the start button, and the engine wakes up with a deep, purposeful growl. In its quieter modes, the X6M can slip through the city with surprising restraint. But toggle into Sport or Sport Plus and everything sharpens. Throttle response, steering weight, exhaust sound. Put your foot down, and this heavy coupe SUV launches with a violence that genuinely shocks your senses. 0-100 km/h happens in a blink, and overtakes are over almost as soon as you think about them. The xDrive all-wheel drive system, M-tuned suspension and advanced electronics work together to keep all that power in check. The chassis feels tight, the body stays flat in corners, and the grip is immense. On a twisty road, the 2027 X6M drives like something much smaller and lighter. It's that contradiction, size and height combined with this level of agility, that makes it so shocking to drive. Of course, When you build something this fast and this capable, safety and control can't be an afterthought. The 2027 X6M is packed with BMW's latest safety and driver assist tech. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alerts, traffic sign recognition, and automatic emergency braking as part of a full advanced driver assistance suite. Multiple airbags, a rigid safety cell, and sophisticated stability and traction systems are constantly watching in the background. The brakes are huge, with strong, consistent stopping power that matches the engine's brutality. Even when you're pushing hard, there's a sense of confidence, the feeling that the car is working with you, not against you. For something this wild, that calm layer of safety underneath is surprisingly reassuring. Now let's hit the part that will shock your bank account: the price. The BMW X6M has never been cheap, and the 2027 next-gen model sits right up there with the most expensive performance SUVs on the market. You're paying for serious engineering, a premium badge, cutting-edge tech, and a design that stands out everywhere it goes. Start adding options: special paints, upgraded wheels, high-end sound systems, carbon packages, individual interior trims, and the numbers rise fast. This is not the rational choice. This is the "I want it because it makes me feel something every time I press start" choice. For the right buyer, that emotional hit is exactly what makes it worth the shocking price. So what is the 2027 BMW X6M really? It's a wild city coupe SUV that refuses to blend in. A car that mixes brutal M performance, dramatic coupe styling, and properly premium comfort in one outrageous package. It's the kind of machine you buy with your heart first, your head second, and you smile every single time you walk up to it. Now, I want to hear from you. If you had the keys, would you take a next-gen X6M over a more traditional performance SUV, or even over a low classic sports car? Tell me in the comments. Your thoughts genuinely shape what we bring next here on Drive France. If this look at the 2027 BMW X6M shocked you even a little, tap like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world of wild, high-performance luxury machines. This is Drive France. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next drive.